In this video, we're diving into how you can build your own AI assistant without touching a single line of code. We're talking about tools that help you automate tasks, generate content, respond to customers, and even create videos, all with just a few clicks. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter, faster systems for your online business, side hustle, or creative projects. Whether you're trying to save time, scale your content, or just make your life easier, this video is going to show you how to put together a full AI assistant set up using simple, beginner-friendly tools. The real deal with AI assistants and why no code matters. Now let's be honest, most people think of AI as something complicated or technical. You picture some guy in a hoodie typing code into a terminal, building robots in his basement. But today, you can build your own AI assistant in an afternoon with drag and drop tools. No code just means you don't need to learn programming to get powerful results. And AI assistants aren't just Siri or Alexa anymore. They can write emails and blog posts, answer customer messages, create videos, manage your social content, edit podcasts, even help with research. So let's break down the best tools to help you build one piece by piece. Number one, HeyGen. Give your assistant a face and voice. We're kicking things off with something visual. If you've ever wished that your AI assistant could actually talk and show up on screen like a real person, HeyGen is perfect for that. You type out what you want your assistant to say, choose an AI avatar, and HeyGen turns your script into a polished video. You don't need a camera or microphone, and you don't need to hire a presenter. It's all handled with a few clicks. This is great if you want your AI assistant to explain something, give updates, or create short video content for social media, websites, or tutorials. You can keep things casual or professional depending on the avatar and the voice you choose. It's kind of like having a spokesperson who's always ready to deliver your message exactly how you want. Now, if you want to get started with HeyGen, we've got a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started for free. Just click the link down in the description below. Number two, Taja AI, smart YouTube optimization. Now, if you're using video as part of your content strategy, then you know that uploading is just the start. Titles, descriptions, tags, those things matter if you want people to actually find your videos. Taja AI takes the guesswork out of YouTube SEO. You upload your video or input your topic, and it gives you smart suggestions that are designed to get more clicks. It helps you choose better titles, write more effective descriptions, and add the right tags to get discovered. This turns your assistant into more than just a video tool. It becomes your behind-the-scenes YouTube strategist. Taja helps your content actually get seen by the people who are searching for it. If you want to get started with Taja, we got a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and start with a free trial. Number three, Gling AI. Let your assistant cut the boring stuff. Now, video editing doesn't have to be a pain. Gling AI makes it fast and automatic. You upload your raw footage, and it scans everything to remove long pauses, filler words, and silent gaps. It's especially useful if you record talking head videos, tutorials, or commentary. Gling acts like your first pass editor, cleaning up the messy parts and giving you a tighter, more watchable version. Instead of spending hours scrubbing through footage, your assistant takes the rough cut and gives you something clean to work with. From there, you can polish it more if you want, or just publish it as is. It's a huge time saver and helps you stay consistent with content. Four, Scalenut, your assistant's content brain. If your AI assistant is helping you write content, it needs more than just words. It needs a plan. That's where Scalenut comes in. Scalenut is built to help you research topics, find keywords that people are searching for, and build SEO-friendly blog posts from start to finish. Gives you a full outline, writes each section, and helps you make sure the post will actually rank on search engines. This means your AI assistant isn't just throwing words on a page. It's creating content that brings in traffic. Whether you're running a blog, writing landing pages, or publishing newsletters, Scalenut helps you stay organized and focused. You can even use it to map out a full month of content in one sitting. If you want to get started with Scalenut, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can go ahead and try it for free. 5, OpusClip. Turn long videos into social content. Let's say your AI assistant just helped you make a YouTube video. You probably don't want to stop there. With OpusClip, you can take that longer video and instantly chop it into short, punchy clips made for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. The tool looks for the most interesting parts of your video, moments with strong hooks, emotion, or key tips, and turns them into mini videos. This is one of the best ways to get more mileage out of your content without doing a bunch of extra work. You make one video, and OpusClip helps your assistant create 5 or 10 more pieces of content from it. It's smart, fast, and surprisingly good at picking out moments that actually grab attention. If you want to get started with OpusClip, go ahead and click the link down in the description where you can go ahead and get started with some free clips. Number 6, Bertha AI. Add copywriting to to your website. If you're building a website or blog and you want your assistant to help with writing, Bertha AI is a solid pick. It lives right inside your WordPress dashboard and pops up when you're working on a page or post. Need a headline? Bertha will give you a few to choose from. Stuck on the intro paragraph? It'll write a few drafts for you. You can guide the tone and style so it'll sound like you. But the real power is how it saves time and helps you avoid getting stuck staring at a blank screen. If your AI assistant has a home base on your website, Bertha makes sure that the space is always filled with useful, clear, and well-written content. To get started with Bertha AI, just click the link down in the description where you can go ahead and get a free WordPress or a free Chrome download. Number 7, Creatify AI. Script, voice, and animate in one tool. Creatify AI helps you go from idea to video without jumping between 5 different apps. You write a script, choose a voice, and then Creatify adds animation and visuals automatically. It's great if you want your assistant to help you build short explainer videos or social media clips. Think of it as a one-stop content creator that can turn your ideas into polished videos in minutes. You can even use Creatify to test different messages and see which version connects better with your audience. To get started with Creatify AI, click the link down in the description where you can go ahead and try it out for free. Number 8, VidNarrate AI. Add voiceovers to any video. Sometimes your AI assistant needs a voice, but you don't want to record it yourself. VidNarrate AI steps in with natural sounding AI voiceovers that you can drop into any video. It's helpful for making tutorials, training content, or any kind of walkthrough. You write the script, choose the voice, and let VidNarrate handle the audio part. It saves you from needing a quiet room, a fancy mic, or the right energy every time you hit record. Your AI assistant handles the delivery, and it's always on point. To get started with VidNarrate, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. You can go ahead and get signed up for free. Number 9, AdCreative.ai. Smart ad design in minutes. Now, if your assistant's helping you with marketing, AdCreative.ai is the design side of that. You tell it what your ad is about, maybe it's a product, a webinar, or a free download, and it generates ad creatives that look clean and ready to post. You can tweak the design or just use what it gives you. It works with images, text, and layout ideas, so you don't need to open Photoshop or hire a designer. This helps your AI assistant handle another piece of the puzzle, getting your message out there with visuals that actually look good. If you want to get started with AdCreative.ai, just click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. We can go ahead and try it now for free. Number 10, TidioAI. Chat support without the repetitive replies. Last up is TidioAI, and this one's all about helping people who land on your site. Instead of answering the same questions over and over, your assistant can step in with Tidio. It's a live chat widget powered by AI that can respond instantly to customer questions, give helpful info, and even collect emails or book appointments. You can train it on your FAQs or product info, and it'll handle the conversations from there. If something needs a human touch, it passes things over to you. It makes your site feel more responsive and helpful without you having to be glued to your inbox all day. To get started with Tidio, just click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started for free. Wrapping it all up. All right, let's do a quick recap. So HeyGen gives your assistant a face and voice. Taja AI helps your content get seen on YouTube. Gling AI cleans up your videos fast. Scalenut helps your assistant write content that ranks. OpusClip turns one video into many clips. Bertha AI writes inside your website. Creatify creates fully animated videos from text. VidNarrate AI adds voiceovers without needing a mic. AdCreative.ai designs smart looking ads. And TidioAI chats with your visitors so you don't have to. Now, you don't need all these. Just pick the ones that match what you're trying to build. Piece by piece, you can create a smart, no-code AI assistant that saves you time, helps you grow, and frees you up to focus on the stuff that only you can do. Now, if you want to get started with any of the AI tools or platforms that we covered today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And supporting the channel this way really helps us to create practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or you're just curious about what AI can do. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.